Séura's weatherproof floor stand is designed to mount televisions and accessories weighing up to 200 pounds. Séura mounts are protected by advanced corrosion resistance and designed for easy installation. This video explains the process to mount Séura outdoor televisions and accessories on the FS-1 floor stand. Refer to the installation guide for comprehensive product details and instructions for your Séura mount. The structure where the Séura mount is installed must support at least 5 times the weight of the television and the mount combined. This mount is to be installed on wood joists, concrete, stone, or brick floors. A professional installer or structural engineer should inspect or verify the requirements of the structure. At least 2 qualified people should assist in mounting a TV to the Séura mount. While all hardware is included with your Séura mount, here are some tools you'll want to have on hand. To assemble your mount, attach the mounting plate to the floor stand using the 4 included fasteners and washers. To adjust the height, loosen the security torque screws with the included T27 screwdriver. Adjust to the desired height of the stand and tighten screws. To adjust the swivel angle of the TV, loosen the 2 thumb screws on the back of the floor stand. Adjust to the desired angle and tighten both screws. Place the floor stand in the desired location. For wood joist mounting, at least 4 lag screws must be fastened to joists. 6 or more screws are recommended. To mount to concrete, use all 8 hole locations. With a pencil, mark mounting plate lots on the floor. Set floor stand aside and drill pilot holes in each of the marked slots. For wood joist mounting, pre-drill the marked holes 3 inches deep with a 7/32 of an inch drill bit. For concrete, pre-drill the 4 marked holes on the floor at least 4 inches deep with a 7/16 of an inch masonry drill bit. The included Tapcon screws are designed for concrete installation. Next, attach the floor stand by aligning the floor mounting plate with the pre-drilled holes. Ensure that the cable pass-through holes on the mount are positioned appropriately. For wood joist mounting, use the included lag screws and flat washers. For concrete, use the included Tapcon type screws. Next, prepare the TV by removing the 4 vasa mount screws from the back of your TV. Place the 2 identical tilt mount TV brackets flat against the back of the TV with the arrows pointed towards the top of the TV. Note that select models require attaching the soundbar via brackets during this step. Line the brackets up with the vasa mount fastener locations. Secure the brackets to the TV using the same 4 vasa mount screws. Do not over-tighten. With at least 2 people, lift the TV and bring the back of the TV towards the wall, positioning it slightly above the mounting plate. Lower the TV to latch the bottom hooks of the TV brackets to the bottom rail of the mounting plate. Bring the top of the TV closer to the wall to latch the top hooks of the TV brackets to the top rail of the mounting plate. Make sure the bottom and top rails are fully engaged. Do not let go of the TV until you are certain that the top and bottom hooks of both mounting brackets are securely engaged on the top and bottom rails of the mounting plate. To fine-tune the level of your TV, use the provided T27 security torque screwdriver. The leveling screw is located at the top of the TV brackets. Tighten or loosen the screw to either raise or lower each side of the TV. After leveling the TV, use the provided T27 security torque screwdriver to tighten the locking screws near the bottom of the TV brackets. There is 1 screw on each bracket. Do not over-tighten. This prevents the TV from being removed or dislodged from the mounting plate. To adjust the tilt angle of the TV, place 1 hand on the center top edge of the TV and 1 hand on the center bottom edge of the TV. Using the upper hand, gently pull the top of the TV away from the wall while the lower hand gently pushes the bottom of the TV towards the wall. To adjust the TV back to the original position, gently push the top of the TV towards the wall while the lower hand gently pulls the bottom of the TV away from the wall. After the tilt is adjusted to the desired position, tighten the 2 tilt locking bolts on each bracket until the brackets are firmly secured. Do not over-tighten. If you have additional installation questions, please contact the Séura support team at 1-800-957-3872.